Hi there, welcome back. And now we are going to discuss about row level security. And what does that mean? That simply means if you want to restrict the data based on row level data, then how you can do that and how you are going to do for certain users. Well, it's pretty simple to be honest. For that, you have to apply certain filters. I have created a dedicated series on row level security. I'm going to provide you the link in the resource material part where you can use that one and you can also enhance your knowledge. In this part, I'm just going to show you how you can apply the static row level security. First of all, we have to check our table because I want to restrict the data based on certain regions. And for that, my main numbers or the sales data is in the internet sales table, if you will see, and internet sales table is over here. In this table, we can see that it's connected with the sales territory table, which is my dimension table, and where I have the different countries. So based on the country, I want to create two based on, not on based on the country, I'm going to create a based on the region. And what is the region? So if I'm going to come over here and I'll click on this sales territory table, there are the region, and the regions like northwest, central, etc. But I want to take it a much bigger one so that I don't need to create a lot of roles. Over here you can see that I have this sales territory group. Based on that, I'm gonna restrict the data for the users. For example, if I belong to North America, then I'm gonna add it into that group and I can see only North America data. If I'm into the Europe, I can see only the Europe data, or if I'm from the Pacific, I can see only the Pacific data. That's what we are going to do over here. So in order to do that, I'm gonna come here, and here you can see that I have the different options. So I'm gonna not go to the optimize, I'm gonna go to this modeling view and I'm gonna manage roles. Either you can create a new or you can manage existing roles. So I'm gonna create a new and I'm gonna say new role. And here I have to give it a name. I'm gonna give it a name, North America. And I'm gonna apply a filter over here on this table, which is my sales territory. And I'm gonna say, hey, apply a filter, create a filter. Or you can also switch to the text view where you can simply say, hey, this is my column name and you should apply the data over here. But what I'm going to use this default editor and I'm going to say, hey, apply this, all of these rules. Sales territory when is equals to, here I have to give it a name, which I'm going to say North. It should be not equal because equal is a number. It should be contain in, and here you have to add still you can write it. So let me switch back over here to this one, and here you can write it actually. Sales territory key, that's why it's taking the number. Actually it should take not the territory key, it's sales territory group, and here I can type North America. Then I can create also one more group which is going to be with the Pacific one. Similarly, I can come here, I can say, hey, create Pacific. You have to type it exactly, otherwise it's gonna not work. Then it's not going to work. And then last is Europe. I hope so. This is the one. And here I can add it again, and I'm gonna say it group Europe. So that's all you need to do. So whichever person you are going to add into these groups are going to get the data corresponding to that only. Now I'm going to show you how you can test it out. So let's say I'm into this business region sale analysis, and here you can see that I have the different regions over here, like territory group, North America, Europe, and this. If I'm going to select North America, then only North America should appear, not any other one. So let's go to this, and I'm going to say, hey, North America, and I'm going to apply this, and you can see all the data corresponding to North America is appearing. If I'm going to go to Europe, only then Europe should appear, and only Europe is appearing. Similarly, if I would like to go further and I would like to check only Pacific, then Pacific should appear. That's how you can check whether it's working or not, and also the countries are changing over there. So I'm going to stop it, and once we are going to publish it, we can see that. So you have to save your report. Once you do all the development work, please do verify all the report performance too. And I'm gonna tell you in a short video that how you can check the performance of your report. In the next part of this module also, I'm gonna check you how to check the report performance. So I'm gonna see you in the next part.